Hey, Danny and Wanda, just thought I'd show you a clip, a little video of the Danny corn stand that I have. It's a small one, but it's doing well. Right now, some of it is over 9 feet tall. However, there's still no tassels or silk, but it's looking good. We shall see how it does in the next couple weeks. And man, it grows tall. This is my row of tomato plants. We've already harvested the garlic and the potatoes down here. We got some cukes coming on. And I've got some beans and cukes on the other side of the tomatoes. All sorts of different tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. What's that one? The San Marzano, the Amish paste. All different types. And then over here we have a starter row of asparagus, some rhubarb, and in between the rhubarb I've got some elderberry and some comfrey growing. You can see the Danny corn from here, how much taller than the chicken run it is. And then we've got sweet potatoes, some Irish taters. There's the cucumbers hanging there. Beans. This is my main asparagus patch. All grown up. There are the chickens. These are the French salmon faverolles is the breed. And they lay smaller eggs, but we have not been out of eggs all year. So they're a small bird, they eat less food. But here again, you can see the Danny corn through. Well, that's one of the reasons why I planted there, so the deer can't get to it from at least one side. And then over here, we've got a new garden that I'm starting. Sort of back to Eden method. And these are all white potatoes. And some chamomile. And my method is, I work a row, it's only 15 foot long. Then I'll plant something and I'll cover it in mulch. And we've got some manure piles covered in wood chips. And we've got two Jerusalem artichoke here that are the only two that I left remaining. This whole area, which was 15 by 60, there was a row of Jerusalem artichokes I planted down the middle. And for 3 seasons, I let it go. And this year I had to eliminate them. And this is a Kushar squash. It is growing crazy. Finally starting to set fruit. But that's growing on a manure pile as well. Seems like you make a compost pile and you throw some seeds on it and the things grow crazy. So just thought you'd like to see some of what I'm doing. You have yourself a blessed day. Walter out.